Once again, a drink and drive case has been registered in Pune's Sadashivpet area. Sadashivpet area is the most busiest area of Pune city as it lies in the central part of the city. The incident that happened, it happened in front of a tea stall which I am currently standing in front of. A speedy vehicle comes and rams onto 12 people, leaving 9 injured. 3 people were minorly injured and 9 people were majorly injured. Later, when an investigation was done into the matter, it came to light that 9 people who were majorly injured were also discharged, that because the injuries were not so severe, and 3 people were discharged within an hour of incident. The incident that happened, it happened right in front of this tea stall where 12 people were drinking tea at around 5:30 p.m. on 31st May 2025. If we see the CCTV carefully, a person who was driving a car under the influence of alcohol, which was later proved in the medical reports, he was driving the car. When he took a turn, he couldn't understand whether to put his leg on a brake or the accelerator, and mistakenly he puts his leg on the accelerator and he rams onto 12 people, leaving 9 injured and 3 people minorly injured. Now currently police have investigated the matter, and the cab driver who was driving the car under the influence of alcohol, Jairam Mule, is arrested by the police. Along with him, police have also detained who was the co-passenger who was with him at that moment, is also detained by the police. Also, the cab owner Yadav is also detained by police. The matter is being investigated by the Pune police, but the question arises, if there is a rise in patrolling in Pune city by police, then why there is a rise in the drink and drive cases? A very big incident had happened in Pune city, Porsche car incident, where 2 lives were lost. And even after that, the patrolling was increased, yet there is a significant rise, significant surge in Pune's drink and drive cases. Luckily and by God's grace, there's no casualty reported in this incident, but a car which comes in and rams on 12 people, leaving 9 injured and 3 minorly injured. It's a very sad thing to happen in Pune's busiest area, as this area is also known for MPSC classes, and students oftenly come here. There was also 2 students who were injured in this incident, but these 2 have decided to appear for their MPSC Group C examination, which is happening today. Yet my question is again, if there's a rise in patrol, why there is no decrease in the drink and drive cases in Pune city?
साधारण 5:30-6ची घटना आहे. भावे शाळेच्या जवळ नारायण साई टी शॉपच्या बाहेर उभ्या असलेल्या एमपीएससीचे काही विद्यार्थी तसंच इतरही काही त्या ठिकाणी जे लोक होते यांच्यावरती अचानकपणे प्राथमिक माहिती जी प्राप्त आहे त्याच्यामध्ये दारूच्या अंमलाखाली चालक आणि त्याच्यासोबतचा जो साथीदार आहे ही गाडीमध्ये असताना ही ऑरा नावाची जी गाडी आहे ह्युंदाईची, ही गाडी ऍक्सलरेटरचा ताबा गेल्याने या लोकांवरती जाऊन डॅश झालेली आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जवळपास 12 लोक हे इंजर झालेले आहेत. या 12 लोकांमध्ये काही जणांना गंभीर इंजरी आहेत, फ्रॅक्चर झालेले आहेत काही, तसंच काही लोकांना थोडी कमी अशा प्रकारची गंभीर इंजरी आहे. यामध्ये याच्यातला जो चालक आहे जयराम मुळे, वय वर्ष 27, बिबवेडीचा राहणारा, आणि त्याचबरोबर या गाडीचा मालक दिगंबर यादव आणि को पॅसेंजर गाडीमध्ये जो बसला होता तो राहुल गोसावी, असे हे तिघही आपल्या ताब्यात आहेत. यांच्यावरती कठोरात कठोर कारवाई करण्याची तरतूद आणि प्रक्रिया ही पोलीस स्टेशन या ठिकाणी चालू आहे.